It's here. It's here. It's finally here. Hey everyone, this is Pete Rock. We ordered one of these for my birthday from Amazon, and it didn't actually show up. This one came from Walmart. It was a bit cheaper too. Let's get this one open. Everyone can see. Got a little Echine E110 UAV helicopter. I have to see what the C127 is about because it looks exactly the same. So I'm guessing it's just branding. Wow. And that's not good. I'm supposed to have 3 batteries and I only have 2, so I'm gonna have to call them up and see what's going on about that. But everything looks beautiful. In case anyone figured out, this is the thing to hold your phone. In case people haven't found it. I love it. Oh, that's the 3rd battery. It's already installed. Awesome. Don't have to call anybody. That's my fault. Duh. Wow. And I'm gonna have fun with that. Sorry, I can't put any footage on there until after I get the 107 done. But you know, everyone have fun. Thank you.